Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is disabled. If you wish to enable it, tap on the same tile one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!